Hi, are you a freelancer? Here are ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. 1. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate unique and high-quality content, such as blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. This can save freelancers time and help them to increase productivity. 2. Research. ChatGPT can be used to quickly gather information on a wide range of topics, which can be useful for freelancers who need to research a specific subject or industry. 3. Proofreading. ChatGPT can be used to quickly proofread and edit written work, helping freelancers to identify and fix errors and improve the overall quality of their work. 4. Generating ideas. ChatGPT can be used to generate new ideas for freelancers who are looking for inspiration or are stuck in a creative rut. 5. Creating reports. Freelancers who work with data might find GPT-3's ability to generate reports with insight and summaries. This has proven to be a great help. 6. Customer support. ChatGPT can be integrated with chatbots and conversational interfaces to provide customer support and help freelancers to increase their customer base. It is important to note that ChatGPT is a tool that can assist with these tasks. However, keep in mind that it is a language model. It is not a substitute of human intelligence and creativity. Now you have the necessary tools you need to start as a freelancer. Did you find this useful? Follow and share this.